Hello kids, welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about good manners. Raise your hand. Be kind with animals. Be a good friend. Always try to help others. Say please, sorry and thank you. Do not yell, speak softly. Always follow traffic rules. Be a good listener. Clean up daily. Greet others. Share with others. Cover your cough and sneeze. Do not interrupt others. Be careful with tools. Take turns. Stand in a queue. Show respect for elders. Be honest. Do your best. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.